Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. It's Olivia, and I'll be doing a squishy video today on all the squishies I have. So I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever you celebrate. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if the lighting is kind of bad. One of my light bulbs is busted in the corner of my room. But so let's just show you all my squishies. So the first squishy that I'm going to show you guys that I got is this strawberry squishy. It's not the best squishy, but I've had it for a super long time, and like the stem's ripped off, and it does have some defects, but I've had it for like 2 years, and it is super slow rising, so that's a plus. Sorry if you heard that knock. That was my hamster. She's just running around. So yeah, that one cost like $7.99. And the next ones I'm gonna show you are like really cheap. So this milk carton squishy does have some defects. Well, a lot of defects actually. It has like a bunch of defects. It's like ripped right here. But this is really slow rising, and I did pay like $4.37 for this, and we emailed them because it's kind of like a terrible squishy but really slow rising. Yeah, so we emailed them and they gave us our money back, so that was really good. And then it smells so good. So yeah, this is one of my good squishies too, I guess you could say that. The next squishy that I'm going to show you guys is this donut squishy I got from a roller skating rink, and I got it for like $2. It has this little key ring on it, and it does have defects. It's like all ripped in some places, like the paint is peeling off, and this chocolate swirl thing peeled off. But it's pretty slow rising. So yeah, this squishy is not that bad. The next squishy that I have that I'm going to show you guys is this Lucio Squeezy's Hot Coffee Fresh Brewed Squishy. And it is super slow rising. And I paid like $2.37 I think for this. All my squishies are like about $3 and under, but they take a while to get here from Amazon. And it's very detailed. So yeah, I like this squishy a lot. The next squishy that I have that I'm going to show you guys is this French fry squishy. And this one is a really good squishy. There is nothing wrong with it. Also under $3. And it's super slow rising. So yeah, I really like this squishy, which I also got off of Amazon. All my squishies are off of Amazon, except for that donut squishy I showed you guys. And they all were under $3 to $4, except for the milk carton squishy. So yeah, this squishy is really good. The next squishy that I'm going to show you guys is, sorry, my lighting on my phone is being terrible. Okay, the next squishy that I'm going to show you guys is this popcorn squishy, and there's nothing really wrong with this one either. It's super slow rising. So yeah, this squishy is super good, slow rising. The smell, there isn't really a smell. It kind of smells like chemicals. The next squishy that I have that I'm going to show you guys is this cat burger squishy, and it's super adorable, and there's nothing wrong with this one either. It's got the bun, the burger, the cheese, the burger, some lettuce, I think. I'm not sure. Tomato, and then the bun again, and the bun has the cat face on it. So yeah, these squishies were super good. I have one last squishy I'm going to show you guys. This one, super slow rising. And the last squishy that I'm going to show you guys that I have is a jumbo pink lemon squishy. Maybe it's grapefruit? I'm not really sure. It's either a lemon or a grapefruit, but I ordered the lemon, so hopefully it's a lemon. And this squishy does have defects, if you can tell right here. But it's super slow rising. Like, it's the most slow rising squishy that I have. This is just awkward silence. So yeah, this is the most slow rising squishy that I have, and this one doesn't really smell like anything. Well, it kind of does, but like not something that I can describe. And I paid like $2.37 for this. It's like takes forever to rise. So yeah, it like takes forever to rise. If I'm done. It's been like 20 seconds and it still has not finished rising yet. Anyways, while we wait for this to rise, this is pretty much all my squishies, and this isn't a squishy. I can tell you that for a fact. But I'm just gonna show you her real quick. Okay, so here is my hamster Pepper. She is just adorable. She's my little baby. I love Pepper. I've had her for 2 years now, and not to be rude, Pepper, but I'm surprised she's still alive. Because she's probably about 3 years old, I'm guessing. Not really sure, but I've had her for 2 years, and she was probably a year when I got her. But yeah, she's super cute, and I just love her so much. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And this squishy has still not risen all the way. So yeah, that squishy is super slow rising. So I'm just gonna go let her run around in her ball. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with all of my squishies. My squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.